She started spotting deers. See. Welcome back to the channel, friends. We are just returning from a wonderful trip, a camping trip, and it was really thrilling. So I just want you guys to enjoy fully. So we'll start with the drive through wildlife sanctuary, which was awesome. We spotted a lot of animals, so don't miss it. Please watch this. Just now entered Bandipur Tiger Reserve. So those who are watching outside of Karnataka, Bandipur Tiger Reserve is one of the largest in Karnataka, and if you include Bandipur, Wayanad, Nagarhole and Mudumalai, it is one of the largest biosphere in India. And also Bandipur has the largest tiger population, the second largest in India, and we are going to camp overnight. Not in Bandipur, we will be camping at Mudumalai. However, these are all connected forests, so there is no boundary between tigers, right? It will be exciting. She started spotting deers. See. See, so many deers, so many deers. So the campsite is 25 kilometers from the point where we entered Bandipur Tiger Reserve, and it will be through completely this wildlife sanctuary. After Bandipur we will cross Mudumalai, and after Mudumalai Mashinagudi will come. So the campsite is at Mashinagudi. In a wildlife sanctuary, if all the vehicles will stop, then you should understand that there should be some wildlife. Yeah, there are deers. See, so many deers. So many deers. Actually, if we would have reached here by morning 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, right? Generally 6 o'clock the gate opens. There will be chances to spot even elephants, because many times we spotted elephant in this road. So yeah, you need to reach early or in the night, evening, after evening. We are entering Tamil Nadu border. Karnataka exit and Tamil Nadu border starts. So again we will have checkpost. Actually they were asking for this e-pass, Tamil Nadu e-pass. So we will, anyway we have that. We will show them. We have entered Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, which is in Tamil Nadu side. Anyway, these are all official borders. For wildlife, no border. What, Aishman?
No.
Aishman saw so many deers.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
One peacock. Yeah. One peacock is bonus. Okay. If you come in the morning, Aishman, you will spot even elephants.
I already.
Tigers, very, very rare.
Yeah.
but still we can spot because there are more than 80 tigers as per wildlife census. More than 80 tigers. Yeah, yes, in Bandipur, Mudumalai and all. I think more than that, but I just heard 3 years back, so definitely might be more now. So Mudumalai side, these trees are more. We reached Theppakadu.
Turn left onto Mysuru, Ooty Road.
Okay, so this is Theppakadu. If you take a left, then this is the shortcut route to Ooty, 36 km. And if you take right from here, it will be the longest route. And also you can go towards Kerala from this right side road. And this one is the shortest route. However, trucks and all not allowed in this route. Only cars and vans. Because of this bridge.
Continue on Mysuru Ooty Road for 8 kilometers.
Okay, Google. So how the short bridge is? Very short bridge, narrow bridge. Because of this narrow bridge only car and vans allowed, no big vehicles. So we will reach the campsite in 20 minutes. We reached the campsite. The properties looks very good. See, actually the forest starts from here. From this electric fence, all are forest, and we are thinking to pitch the tent here. What, Ashman? This place is fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's go set up the tent. So the first one is camping table. Let's go and set it up. What else? Bags and all we'll see later, Ashman. Okay. First we'll set up the tent. After that we'll do something else. We'll prepare for cooking. Okay? Yeah. Let's set up the tent. Ashman? Ashman want to set it up.
Hey, go on the table. Go.
Not table, chair.
Hey.
Ashman's chair. No, stool, small stool.
Chair. Table.
Okay. Time to set up the tent. Hold karo. This side. Insert in the tent. Insert inside. That small pole is there, right? Inside there. Yeah, there. That is Kate, man. You concentrate on pitching tent, okay? Yeah, there. Yeah, that's right. Done. See, Aishman, our cars, these cushions, now it will help in camping. Huh? Just a minute, what's that? Done. Okay. We'll put the bed sheet here. The bed sheet here. Give the bed sheet. Okay. Our camp is ready. Now we'll prepare our lunch. Ayushman, let's get started. Huh? Ayushman wants some snack because he was feeling hungry. We are getting late, right? That's why. Okay, let's quickly prepare our lunch. Okay, Ayushman. Yeah. And what about the peacocks near our tent?
Yeah.
So many, right?
Yeah.
Excellent.
One was here only, fully near.